సో ఇవాళ మనము స్టాన్లే కాలేజ్లో ఈ బ్లాక్లో ఉన్నాము. ఈ బ్లాక్లో కమిటీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో వీ హ్యావ్ ద అసిస్టెంట్ ప్రొఫెసర్ అమలా హూ ఇస్ going to tell us more about what MBA programs we have and everything. So let us ask her everything about that. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
So can you tell me how are the programs structured here and what is in there for the students for MBA if they want to pursue MBA in Stanley College and everything?
Sure. So MBA started in Stanley College in the year 2009 with an intake of 60, but right now the intake is 120. Stanley being autonomous college, we got the autonomous accreditation also. And along with engineering, we also have post-graduation here. From the post-graduation course, we have MBA as one of the course. So in MBA, it's a 2-year degree. I mean, it's a 2-year post-graduation course, which has 4 semesters. And first year is going to have 2 semesters, and the second year will have 3rd and 4th semesters. The specializations that we are offering are HR, finance, marketing, and systems. So these are the 4 specializations that we are providing. So along with that, we have 60 students per class. So MBA is divided into 2 sections, that is 60 per class. So as 120 will be the intake. So here, not only into academics, like we also offer certain business related activities also to the students for their overall growth. We have entrepreneurship programs also being conducted. And regularly there is, on the name of one or the other event, the college is going to conduct many events on this. So coming to the subjects, like in the first year, they'll have common papers, everything will be common, but they'll have open elective system as a part of CBCS. So under open elective systems, we have that students will have the option of choosing this subject.
Okay.
So they'll have set of 2. Out of 2, they'll have an option of choosing 1. And in the same way, they'll have 4 papers like that. Out of 4 papers, they'll have option of choosing 2 papers.
Okay.
So in every, like in the first semester and second semester, they have to opt like that. Coming to second year, they'll have their own specializations. And first year, they'll have the mini project along with seminar presentations. One most important thing is like they'll have case studies.
Okay.
So because of these case studies, students they'll improve their analytical skills, and they'll improvise more of the problem solving skills. So like they will understand what is a real time situation that organizations are facing. Yes. And based on that, they try to give solutions to the problems. So that will help them for improving their overall problem solving skills, as I told you. And it is more of like MBA academic syllabus is we do follow OU syllabus. Along with OU syllabus, we have like 15% of it can be changed. I mean, some modifications we can do according to the industry requirements. So that we regularly update it, taking the prior permission from Osmania University, and we try to update the syllabus from time to time.
Okay.
Because of this, like students will be in a position, they try to understand what is it happening in the outside market.
Yes.
And based on the market requirements, students will be improving themselves.
Yes.
And we do have internships also, and these are like the internship that college is providing, like in terms of placements. So the internships are being converted into placements for the students. So which will be helping them, like the internship will be for 6 months, they will be working there. They'll get minimum amount that if they're working better, and that can be converted into the final placements also, which is like the best advantage for the students. Yes, we are providing placements also for the students. As I told you, the internships are being converted into placements there. So recently there are 4 to 5 people who have already been placed in UBS.
Okay.
So which is a very good, like students are very happy with what they're earning right now. So
any suggestion which you would like to give to the people who are wanting to join MBA here?
MBA, choosing Stanley MBA is a wise choice. So like you will be preparing yourself for the outside market requirements or outside market conditions, because we'll be focusing more on entrepreneurships, we'll be focusing more on startups, we'll be focusing more on the overall development of the students.
Yes.
Like people come from different backgrounds.
Yes.
MBA is such a course, it is being designed like people from different paths, like it is not only like BCom students are doing MBA.
Yes.
It is like people from BSc are doing MBA, people from BA can do MBA, people from different things, whatever, even engineering students can take up MBA. So like that, like if the students are choosing from different paths, MBA curriculum is designed in such a way like it is easy for everybody to access. It is easy for everyone to study, because all the things they're going to study right from the basics.
Yes.
Right from basics, they're going to study in the first year, and that will be like adding them as the semester grows. The subject depth and the subject, what you call intensity of the subject also increases from time to time. Like second semester it will be okay, like third, things will get into progress.
Okay.
So that is the best thing I say.
So, if somebody wants to take part in the MBA course,
Yes.
is there any process? Like, what is the process for it?
Yes, for students also want to get admitted into MBA, they need to write ICET. So through ICET, there are admissions going on in the college. So the college code is STLW. So through that code, you can opt Stanley as your option. And as I told you, like Stanley would be the best place of learning. So you can explore your knowledge, you can explore your skills, you can explore your managerial skills, more of managerial skills in the college. Wishing all the students very best and happily welcoming you all to the Stanley College. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
Thank you so much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. సో మీరు కూడా ఎంబీఏలో అడ్మిషన్ తీసుకోవాలి, మీరు కూడా ఇండస్ట్రీ అలైన్డ్ కరికులంని ఫాలో అవ్వాలి లేదా దాంట్లో పార్ట్ అవ్వాలి అనుకుంటే then you should definitely choose Stanley College as your option. तो अभी हम यहाँ पे स्टैनली कॉलेज में आए हुए हैं एंड हमारे साथ एक स्टूडेंट है जिसने यहाँ पे डिग्री भी किया है एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो परस्यूइंग उनका मास्टर्स. तो इस कॉलेज में 5 साल बिता चुके हैं वो और इनके साथ हमें और भी अच्छे से पता चलेगा कि ये कॉलेज के फैसिलिटीज़ कैसे है और ये सब कैसे है. तो हेलो मैम. सो आपको यहाँ के फैसिलिटीज़ कैसे लगे और आपने 5 साल यहाँ पे रहे हो ना, तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसे रहा है, आपका जर्नी ये सब कैसे रहा है, आप बता सकते हो?
ओवरऑल सब इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ये सब ये कॉलेज में बहुत अच्छा है. द कैंटीन फैसिलिटीज़ एंड द सेफ्टी फॉर गर्ल्स, स्पेशली ये गर्ल्स कॉलेज है, सो गर्ल्स के लिए हर किस्म की फैसिलिटी है, फुल प्रोटेक्शन है, नो कोई आउटसाइड इन्वेजन नहीं है ये कॉलेज में. एंड ऑब्वियसली देयर इज़ गुड, वेरी गुड फैकल्टी, सपोर्टिंग फैकल्टी विल ऑलवेज सपोर्ट यू इन एवरी मैटर, बी इट योर पर्सनल लाइफ, कभी कोई इफ़ यू हैव एनी पर्सनल इश्यूज़ और बी इट रिलेटेड टू योर स्टडीज़. तो सब चीज़ के लिए देयर इज़ अ फैकल्टी ऑलवेज देयर फॉर यू टू सपोर्ट यू एंड टू लिसन टू यू. एंड लाइक इन योर फाइनल ईयर ऑफ योर बीटेक इंजीनियरिंग के फाइनल ईयर में यूल हैव योर मिनी प्रोजेक्ट एंड मेजर प्रोजेक्ट रहता, दैट इज वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी रहता अपने लिए. एंड फॉर दैट योर द फैकल्टी गिव्स यू फुल सपोर्ट एंड ऑब्वियसली encourages you, gives you new ideas and boost your motivation. एंड ऑल्सो ये कॉलेज मेरे लिए मुझे इतना अच्छा दिखा कि आई फील सो सेफ हियर एंड द एनवायरनमेंट हियर इज़ सो नाइस दैट आई चूज़ दिस कॉलेज इवन फॉर माई मास्टर्स के लिए भी मैंने यही कॉलेज चूज़ किया. एंड आई एम करेंटली परसुइंग माई मास्टर्स, आई एम इन माई फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर and it's great here, the experience, all over experience, the faculty, the food, the canteen, environment, girls, सब बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ पे, very friendly environment.
तो आप कुछ सजेशन देना चाहोगे जो एमबीए ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं या फिर मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम के लिए ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं यहाँ पे?
मैं ये बोलूँगी कि दिस इज़ अ रियली नाइस कॉलेज फॉर गर्ल्स, ऑल गर्ल्स एनवायरनमेंट. It's really nice studies wise and everything. And if you're अगर से कोई student अगर से if you're doing your job, so even college supports you in that, so that you can manage the college as well and your job as well. And even for MBA, because बहुत सारे लड़की after the completing the graduation, they start doing the job. So अगर से if you're doing job, so it will support college people, the faculty, the staff will support your job as well as your studies. So you can manage both of them. So it's really helpful and really great for master students who want to support from their college in everything.
तो अभी आप ME कर रहे हो, तो उससे पहले आपका जो डिग्री था उसमें प्लेसमेंट्स और वो सब हुआ था आपको, तो आप उसके पार्ट में थे या फिर क्या था, हाउ डिड द ट्रांजिशन हैपन?
मैं engineering I did in electronics and communication. I personally did not enroll for the placement thing. मुझे job नहीं करनी थी. I wanted to do my masters, so I applied for masters in engineering. My friends and other students here, उन लोग apply करे placement के लिए, and 90% of them they got their placements here and on a good package. So your minimum package is like 6 LPA, 6 lakhs per annum. So the packages are really good. The minimum packages are really good, and the sky is high. You can. It depends on your potential.
Yes, the more you excel in academics,
exactly,
the more better you get. तो आपने देखा है ना इनके साथ, तो इन्होंने अपना डिग्री यहाँ पे ख़त्म किया और फिर मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम चूज़ किया. अगर आपको भी ऐसे ही एक ही कॉलेज में सब कुछ पढ़ना है और सब कुछ करना है, तो you know where to come. Stanley Engineering College for Women.